Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please share, subscribe and like our videos to support us. Ultimate Guide to Toyota Prius 2024 Maintenance. Owning a Toyota Prius 2024 is more than just a smart choice for the environment. It's a commitment to efficiency and reliability. But to keep this hybrid wonder running smoothly, regular maintenance is key. A well-maintained Prius not only boosts performance but also extends its lifespan and saves you money in the long run. From oil changes to battery checks, knowing what your Prius needs and when can make all the difference. Ready to ensure your Prius stays in top shape for years to come? Let's dive into everything you need to know about maintaining your Toyota Prius 2024 model. Overview of Toyota Prius 2024 Maintenance. Regular maintenance is essential for every vehicle, and the Toyota Prius 2024 is no exception. This hybrid vehicle's advanced technology requires specific care to ensure it performs at its best. Whether it's routine oil changes or more complex battery checks, understanding the maintenance needs of your Prius can keep it running efficiently and safely. Why regular maintenance is crucial. Maintaining your Toyota Prius 2024 regularly isn't just about keeping it clean and shiny. It's about ensuring the vehicle operates safely and efficiently and retains its value. Safety. Regular maintenance checks can catch potential issues before they become serious problems. For example, worn-out brake pads or low tire pressure can lead to dangerous driving conditions. By staying on top of maintenance, you ensure your Prius is always safe to drive. Efficiency. The Prius is known for its fuel efficiency, but that can be compromised if the car isn't well maintained. Simple tasks like changing the oil or replacing the air filter can significantly improve your car's fuel economy. Resale value. A well-maintained car holds its value better than one that's neglected. Keeping up with regular maintenance can make your Prius more attractive to buyers if you ever decide to sell it. Toyota Prius 2024 Maintenance Schedule. Following the maintenance schedule recommended by Toyota is the best way to keep your Prius in top condition. Here's a breakdown of what you need to do and when. Every 5,000 miles, or 6 months. Oil and filter change. Fresh oil keeps your engine running smoothly. Tire rotation. Helps ensure even tire wear. Brake inspection. Catch any wear and tear early. Fluid level check. Includes brake, coolant, and windshield washer fluids. Every 15,000 miles, or annually. Cabin air filter replacement. Keeps the air inside your car clean. Battery check. Make sure the hybrid battery is in good shape. Every 30,000 miles. Engine air filter replacement. Ensures your engine gets clean air for combustion. Coolant replacement. Keeps the engine from overheating. Every 60,000 miles. Spark plug replacement. Essential for efficient engine performance. Every 100,000 miles. Hybrid system check. Comprehensive inspection of the hybrid components to ensure everything is working correctly. By sticking to this schedule, you can help your Prius run efficiently and avoid major repairs down the line. Engine and hybrid system maintenance. Maintaining the engine and hybrid system in your 2024 Toyota Prius is crucial for ensuring its longevity and performance. Routine maintenance helps avoid expensive repairs and keeps your vehicle running efficiently. Here's what you need to know about maintaining these key components. Engine oil and filter changes. Changing the engine oil and filter regularly is vital for the health of your Prius. Fresh oil lubricates the engine parts, reducing friction and preventing wear. Frequency and importance. Every 5,000 miles. It is recommended to change the oil and filter every 5,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. Why it matters. Clean oil keeps the engine in good condition, prevents overheating, and ensures smooth operation. When old oil breaks down, it becomes less effective at lubricating, leading to increased engine wear and potential damage. In short, regular oil changes are like giving your engine a refreshing drink. It keeps everything moving smoothly and efficiently. Hybrid battery check. The hybrid system is what sets the Prius apart from conventional vehicles. Regular checks of the hybrid battery are essential to maintain its performance. Need for regular inspections. Every 15,000 miles. It's a good idea to get your hybrid battery checked once a year, or every 15,000 miles. Signs of potential issues. Decreased fuel efficiency. If your Prius is using more gas than usual, The hybrid battery might not be functioning correctly. Warning lights. Pay attention to any warning lights on your dashboard related to the hybrid system. Strange noises. Unusual sounds can indicate problems with the hybrid battery or its components. By catching any issues early, you can avoid bigger problems down the road and ensure your Prius operates at its best. Cooling system maintenance. Both the engine and the hybrid systems in your Prius have cooling units that need regular care. Proper cooling system maintenance prevents overheating and keeps your vehicle running smoothly. Maintenance required. Check coolant levels. Regularly check and top off the coolant levels. Low coolant can lead to overheating, which can cause significant engine damage. Coolant replacement. Replace the coolant every 30,000 miles to ensure it remains effective in regulating temperature. Radiator maintenance. Inspect for leaks. Regularly inspect the radiator and hoses for signs of leaks or damage. Clean radiator. Keep the radiator clean from debris to allow proper airflow and cooling. Regular cooling system maintenance is like having a good air conditioner in the summer, keeping things cool and comfortable and preventing disastrous breakdowns. Regularly checking and maintaining these crucial aspects of your Prius will ensure it remains efficient and reliable for years to come. Brake system maintenance. Regular brake system maintenance is crucial for the safety and performance of your Toyota Prius 2024. Ensuring your brakes are in top condition will not only help you avoid costly repairs but also ensure a smooth and safe driving experience. Let's look at the key components of brake system maintenance. Brake pad and rotor inspections. Regularly inspecting the brake pads and rotors is a must for any vehicle, and your Prius is no exception. Why is it important? Safety. Worn brake pads can compromise your ability to stop quickly, increasing the risk of accidents. Similarly, worn rotors can lead to reduced braking efficiency and longer stopping distances. Cost effectiveness. Catching wear early can save you money. If brake pads wear down too much, they can damage the rotors, resulting in more expensive repairs. What to look for? Thickness of brake pads. Brake pads should be replaced once they wear down to about 3 mm. Thinner pads can lead to metal-on-metal contact with the rotors. Rotor condition. Check for grooves, cracks, or a blue discoloration on the rotors, which indicates overheating. By keeping an eye on these components, you can address issues before they become major problems. That's it for Part 1. We've covered the essential maintenance tasks to keep your Prius in top shape. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll dive into more advanced maintenance tips. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.